These are the elevators at the Palazzo at the Venetian here in Las Vegas. This is the high-rise set.
Thanks.
Oh.
What's that?
He's so pretty fast. Alright, here we go. Oh, arch acceleration. We'll get copyrighted for this music, but who cares? It's 23. Doesn't matter, I think I got copyrighted a long time ago. Here we are at Palazzo Club. Or Pisa Club, whatever they like to call it. Random switches. Your buttons. Get the Cavio. Looks like all the other elevators on this hotel. My ears popping this. I am actually a guest here. You can't normally access these without getting past the guard. Nice. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.